This mower ain't running right. That pollinator guy must have ruined it last time he worked on it. I'm gonna kick his ass. So, this mower belongs to one of my neighbors. It wouldn't start for him this spring. It looks like he was mowing his lawn during a dust storm. You must have put that dust in there when you were working on it last year. Yeah, no, I think this was due to you mulching leaves with it in the fall. That can create a lot of dust. Take a look inside here. All that fine dust got past the filter. That is getting sucked straight into the engine. Anytime you have these foam air filters, you want to put some Earl on there. Any kind of oil will do. The oil will help grab that fine dust and stop it from getting through to the engine. Now that sticker on the air filter cover said to clean it every 50 hours, but it doesn't say anything about oiling it. It doesn't say to do that in the manual either. He even showed me in the owner's manual, and there was nothing there about oiling the filter either. So I don't know what's going on with some of these manufacturers. It's almost like they want the engine to fail, so you'll have to buy a new one every couple of years. Yeah, then we'll just blot out the excess oil with a paper towel. I'm gonna start putting Earl on the air filter in my car, too. No, do not do that. You only want to do this with foam air filters. Do not go putting Earl on a paper filter, or you'll ruin it. I pulled the air filter housing off. I'll have to clean this off with carb spray. I also sprayed out the carb to get the dirt out of there. You can see where this bolts to the carb, all that fine dust in there. So let's put our cleaned and oiled filters back in and see if it'll fire up. This better not void my warranty. Yeah, I'm surprised you even got a warranty on a cheap mower like this. And there we go. It's idling a little funny. The spark plug was a little fouled, probably from running with the clogged filter before. Hey man, thanks for the beer. I gotta go finish mowing my lawn. Wait, I didn't say you could have my beer. Whatever. I got plenty more. Yeah, anytime I get something with a foam air filter, I put some Earl on it. A lot of them even say to do so on the back of the package. The foam by itself doesn't provide enough filtration for fine dust. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more small engine videos. See you later. Bye.